There's often an assumption that we all have an identical sex drive. But Alfred Kinsey spoke to over 12,000 men and women in the United States in the 1940s. And he concluded that there is, in fact, a whole range of sex drives that is perfectly normal for any particular individual. For example, some women orgasm many times a day, and some men only want orgasm once every few weeks, believe it or not. But these are exceptions. And overall, Kinsey concluded that men are significantly more sexual than women, in fact, 6 times more sexual than women. And he measured sexual responsiveness in terms of the incidence of orgasm, that is, how often a person has an orgasm in any given week or month. Male sex drive does decline with age, but even by the age of 60, the sex drive of the average man has still not fallen to the sex drive of the average woman. We live in a very competitive world in which there's often an implication that anyone whose experience lies towards the lower end of any particular scale must in some way be deficient, or that the person is missing out in some way. So I think it's important to say that there is nothing to prove that somebody with a high sex drive is any happier or any better off than somebody with a low sex drive.